Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan, and today we're going to be checking out benchmarks, gaming, and overall performance of the new Nokia 7 Plus, which we recently unboxed. So let's quickly get started. The Nokia 7 Plus has been launched in India for a price of 25,999. We have it here in the black plus copper color that not only looks fantastic but is built really well. The back panel is a matte black finish, which means that it is resistant to fingerprints as well as it looks quite premium. On the front of the device is a 6-inch IPS LCD display with the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection layer, and it is a 2160 by 1080 pixel resolution display. 18:9 is the aspect ratio with rounded off corners that look absolutely fantastic, giving the device a total 403 pixels per inch. On the inside is a Snapdragon 660 chipset with a 2.2 GHz octa-core CPU setup, the Adreno 512 GPU, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage complete the memory department. But you can pop in a micro SD card up to 256 GB in the SIM2 slot. The beauty of the phone is the fact that it is on the Android One platform, which means that it runs stock Android 8 Oreo out of the box and will quickly get updates to the next versions of Android for at least the next 2 years. Now, what does all of this entail? It entails a good overall performance, a speedy performance from the operating system overall, because Nokia has not customized this at all. So looking at benchmarks, we get a score of 1,38,082 on Antutu, the latest version of Antutu. So 138,000 is pretty respectable even for the Qualcomm 660. For Geekbench, we get similar scores with a 1,640 on the single core, whereas the multi-core doing a better job at 5,827. Now we decided to play a few games on this device, and we'll start off with PUBG. The PUBG mobile version automatically detected that medium level graphics would be the best for this particular device, and then we ran the game on that. Overall gaming performance seems really nice, and the phone doesn't tend to heat up at all during gaming. Now the gameplay performance was pretty impressive, and overall feedback from the gaming during playing PUBG was also appreciable from the kind of device this is. Watch a little bit of the gameplay. Next up, we decided to play Asphalt 8. Now, Asphalt 8 can be played by lower end devices as well, but here we are playing it with full graphics, and you can see some of the gameplay. The feedback is almost instantaneous, and there is no frame loss during gaming whatsoever. Now finally, we're playing Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. You can see that we do see a little bit of choppiness during gameplay, and we did increase the draw distance and pump up the graphics to high, as well as increase the brightness a little bit, but the game is playable and very respectably so. The phone delivers a good amount of graphics, and you can enjoy the gameplay for even heavy games like Grand Theft Auto San Andreas.
Street, home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
Now finally, we wanted to do a dry run of the camera. So here are a few pictures taken by the main camera, and you'll get to see that the color reproduction is pretty impressive. Contrast is also pretty good, and it manages to get really good pictures, especially in brightly lit environments. Have a look. Now finally, the phone is missing any sort of notification LED light, or if it does have one, we were unable to locate it, but it does have a fast charging enabled within the device, and you also get information when your phone is charging rapidly right there on the screen. The fingerprint sensor is quite responsive and can be doubled up to be used as navigation, which is impressive as well. So if you want to not only use the bottom keys, you can use the back fingerprint sensor to navigate through the menus as well. But this can also be bothersome because you might accidentally hit the fingerprint sensor and quit applications that you're using. So use this with caution. Now, the Nokia 7 Plus is going to go on pre-orders on the 20th of April and will be on sale on the 30th of April. We'll leave links to pre-order it in the description below if you guys are interested. And if you have any other questions or queries regarding this product, do let us know in the comment section below. Our review for the Nokia 7 Plus should be out shortly, so stay tuned for that. This has been Bharat Nagpal. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. I will see you guys in the next one.